The USB type humidifier introduction. It got one humidifier, one USB cord, two cotton filters, this one for backup, one user manual. Hold the humidifier, twist the upper body to the left to open it. Drop water in water tank, about 80%. Pull out the tube. Soak the cotton filter in water first. That will help the ultrasonic atomizer detect the water fast. Tips. A spring here. Don't miss it. You can add 3 to 5 essential oils. Please be aware more essential oils will not make it smell stronger. On the contrary, will corrode the device. The USB cord. 1 meter length. Humidifier powered by phone charger or computer USB port. Now let's take a look the color changing LED lighting and spray.